Let's address why your Windows 11 PC might only be showing an Ethernet connection and no Wi-Fi option. There are a few common causes for this problem. First, the Wi-Fi adapter might be disabled either in the BIOS UEFI settings or within Windows itself. Second, the Wi-Fi drivers could be missing, corrupted, or outdated. Third, a physical Wi-Fi switch on your laptop might be turned off, especially common on older laptops. Finally, it could be a hardware failure, though this is less frequent than the other causes. We will focus on the most common software-related problems and their fixes. Start by checking the Network Connections panel. Search for ncpa.cpl in the Windows search bar to open it. If your Wi-Fi adapter is listed but disabled, right-click it and select Enable. Next, update or reinstall your Wi-Fi drivers. Open Device Manager by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Expand the Network Adapters category and find your Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click it and select Update Driver. If that doesn't work, try uninstalling the device and restarting your computer. You can also check the driver version in the Properties window. Alternatively, download the latest drivers from your computer manufacturer's website and install them manually. Finally, run the Network Troubleshooter and reset the network adapter. Search for Network Troubleshooter or Network Reset and run each of them.